Hey, yo, check it out, right? Let's go, Gator. We on them. My verses be G shit. Your bars be lightweight. On Facebook, you talk big shit like police trying to build a case. But I play chess and your moves fake. You bitch boy and your team shook like booty meat in the earthquake. I'm on a wolf pack and y'all niggas steak. I smell blood and it's time to eat. You better watch out cause that water deep. Black sharks out and we love to feast. You wanna trade shots with a killer beat? I go Chirac like Chief Keef. Lay shit down like Bootsy. Part afros like cornrows on a flame nigga playing Bruce Lee. Fuck Kung Fu and rap beef cause I'm in the street with that big heat. Playing Justice League with that hammer. Got gamma rays in my chamber. If you trying to play Bruce Banner, you want to conflict and turn hawked out. Fuck around and get your ass chalked out. When I come through with that hawk out. Ain't shit nigga we could talk about. Nigga. Da Vinci. Holla at your boy, nigga.